Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn one of the most important graph algorithm in data structure, Kruskal algorithm. Kruskal algorithm is mainly used to find minimum spanning tree, also called MST. Don't worry, if you are beginner, by the end of this video you will clearly understand what is the Kruskal algorithm, its purpose, step by step working, a simple weighted graph example, and also complex one, why we are sort edges by weight. So let's start. So now we are learning about the main purpose of Kruskal algorithm is to find the minimum spanning tree of weighted graph. What is the meaning of minimum spanning tree? MST. It is connect all vertices, use minimum total edges weight, contain no circles. In the Kruskal algorithm, the real world example are minimum cost to lay internet cables, road network to connect in cities, electric wiring with minimum cost. Now I am going talking about the basic idea of Kruskal algorithm. The idea of Kruskal algorithm is very simple. Take all edges of word graph. First one is sorted them by increasing weight, that is ascending order. Second one is start adding edges one by one. Third one is skip an edges if it form a cycle. Fourth one is stop when we have v minus 1 edges. V is the number of vertices. So now I'm going to move on the how actually works Kruskal algorithm using this graph. So now I'm going to show you how to find the most spanning tree MST using the weighted graph. So first of all I am using the simple edges weighted edges graph. So so this is the weighted graph. So we need to convert this to my MST, most spanning tree. So first of all we need to find the shorter weighted edges in ascending order. So I like this. First one is the one is the AB edges. Okay. Second one is 2. 2 is the B and C. Third one is the AC. Fourth one is CD. Last one is BD. Okay. So we need to find the most MST using this ascending order sort in the smallest one. First one is AB. AB is the one you can connect it with the AB using the one, that is the smallest weighted edges. Second one is 2. We can use the 2 B and C like this, no problem. So AC is 3. Next one is 3. we cannot use the 3 in here because the cycle is created, so we cannot use the AC in here, so that is cannot use. Next one is 4 is CD. You can use the CD, no creating any circle, you can use the C. After 5 BD cannot create because the circle is created, you cannot create the BD edges. So now you can see 1, 2 and 4 is the weight. The total cost of this graph is 4 1 to 4, that is 7. So now we are going to show you the another weighted graph. That is this is the complex one to previous one. So how they convert into MST. So first of all, we need to weight to shorter to ascending order. So first one is, you can see, second is the first one. The first one is second. Second 2 second have. Okay. After next one is 3 and also the second 2 1. So next one is 4 has only 1. Next one is 5 have the 2. After you can see next one is 6. BD is 6. Next one is AB is 7, only 1. AC is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All the weighted edges are shorter. So now we are going to create the MST. So first one is 2. You can see 2 is here, FEN DF. So I'll create the 2 FE edges I create first. So now 2 is complete, and also we can create the 2 DNF without problems. No any circle is created. After is 3 is CFN BC. You can see the 3 can create is without problem. You can create CF is and create can like this. So now is okay, and also the angle 3 is no problem, that is create without problems. So next one is 4 is cannot create because you can see the circle is created, you cannot get the 4 is in here. So let's move on to 5 is DEN and BF. So you cannot move on to DE because you can see create a circle, you can get the DE1, and also another BF of edges you cannot get because you can see the circle are created. We cannot get the both 5. So next by 6. You can see 6 is B and D. B and D cannot to get because you can see the circle are created. You can get it. You cannot get the BD weight. So you can get this. Next one is 7. 7 is you can see A and B. A and B can get because no any cycle created. So you can get the 7 is can join the A and B edges. So 8 is cannot get AC because you can see the circle are created. You cannot get the 8 weight. So you can see the every edges are connected. Now you can get the total of the weight, the total cost of this graph is now you can see 2004 10 is 70. 70 is the total cost of this graph. This is the minimum cost of this graph. So we can see the number of repetitors in this graph are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one is 6. I previously mentioned B minus 6. B minus 1 is you can get the minimum edges of this graph. So 6 is a number of vertices. So that is 6 minus 1. You can get E. Minimum edges you can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 5 is here. The minimum connected edges you can get 5. That is the you can see this graph as the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5. That is the you can get the minimum MST in this graph. So I think you can get some idea about the how to actually work the MST, the Kruskal algorithm, the using weighted graph. Very important question. Why do we sort edges by weight? Because Kruskal algorithm is follow greedy approach. By always choosing the smallest edges first, we ensure minimum total cost, no necessary expensive edges. If we don't sort, we may select heavy edges first and increase the total cost. So I think you can get clearly understanding about Kruskal algorithm. Thank you for watching this video. See you next video.